Alright, we're down here in Sorrento, about to get on the boat for our boat tour. Jessica's got her boat hat ready. So we've been waiting for, I don't know, about 30 minutes or so, but we're down here in the marina, Piccola. We're going with Sorrento Boat Tours, so that's where we are heading right now.
Oh, right here? I'm gonna wait until I get on.
Okay?
Sure.
What was it?
Let's get it.
I've been shot.
Okay, guys.
It's hanging out on this beautiful boat. We got our captain and hostess. I told him that I was learning Italian, so now they said that's all I get. They're going to speak to me. So I might have messed up, but hey, that's the full experience, you know, full immersion.
And for the legend, the queen came here for the party, because on the Roman time, the woman can't eat the party, so she needs a secret place, a place far from Naples. And Sorrento was just like a little fisherman village, so this one was the party house of the queen. The castle became famous for the swimming pool that is inside, as you can see through the little arch. And for the legend, after the party, the night, the queen just killed all the people that stay at the party. This way, no one can talk about what she did inside. Oh. So the night after the party, just she put everyone down into the water, for the legend, inside the castle. For this reason, the castle had a little swimming pool inside. That is salty water, but the deep of the water is low and it's closed all around, so it looks like a swimming pool, water with salty water. Now we go a little bit.
And that's what we were walking all around in yesterday.
We'll see that
We went to the little pool.
that sums up what I was saying about we would find out the background of that.
Okay.
Great.
They ride alone? Stretch the way alone? Yeah? Because the building and the color more similar to Positano. If we're going in Positano, when you arrive and you see, it's same. But this is the part of Sorrento. In Positano, on this side, you see the rocks. Capri. Where are I? It's Capri. Where are I? These rocks are Vertex rocks. Under the Vertex rocks, it's possible to find the big Virgin Mary. Just one day on the year, in the 12th of September, is Santa Maria, the Virgin Mary is a birthday. The fishermen come here, take the Virgin Mary and go around with a cradle for all Sorrento city. In the night, when finished, go back and put the Virgin Mary under the water. If you want to come to September, we wait 6 o'clock waiting here. Okay?
Right.
You understand, yeah?
Perfetto.
Yes? Sentivi? Sentivi? Italiano. Non il più italiano, no.
Well, you go.
grotto. I don't know if you can see them, but you see them. They go by the wall over there. They go inside the wall. Inside. He's about to duck and go inside.
Okay. So we are at the Blue Grotto, which I'm sure that everybody knows about in Capri, where you have to go to the office, which is on a boat. It's an office boat, so you got to get over there.
Oh.
You pay them 18 euro per person, and they take you inside of that little tunnel over there, and that's what's the Blue Grotto. Yes.
Important is inside the boat.
All right, into the Blue Grotto. Blue Grotto, oh my goodness.
Una salita particolare che è una marina di
Nope, that was it. Hello.
Did you see him fall in the boat?
Oh no! Oh, I did.
He stopped, dropped, and rolled.
Oh, hey, hey! At least you didn't go over.
I
Stepped on that thing and the boat.
went down.
He was on one
And it
side
was
with me.
slippery.
He was on the same side. All of a sudden, my foot went.
Yeah, how big these cliffs are behind it. I mean, this is amazing. You don't even understand this right now.
I've never seen
Camera does not do that justice. These cliffs are awesome.
like we just never followed. It was good. That was good. Now I loved it.
I have to laugh. You have to laugh.
Took me off guard.
So we went to the Blue Grotto, and now we're at the green grotto, Verde Grotto, because of all the vegetation. Green grotto. Oh yeah, look at this water, man. This is beautiful. Turquoise. Look at this. Sorry.
No, you're good. Oh, the green grotto.
Green grotto.
Verde grotto.
Esatto. Grotta verde.
I don't know if the camera's picking this up or not, but look at all these fish. Man, look at all the fish in the water. So colorful. What did I put back here? I'm just gonna go back here. I mean, let's try to see if you can tell how big this cave is right here behind me. Looks amazing. We'll see what kind of fish I can see. I put it underwater, so yeah. Oh, at the very front. I'll put the GoPro underwater
Oh yeah.
because there's fish everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to try to see if you can see any fish under there.
This little wall has it's a little corner and the same color of the blue grotto.
Oh yeah,
The
yeah.
people on the island call it the little blue grotto. The Portuguese.
Piccolo azzurro.
Piccola azzurra. Piccola grotta azzurra.
Piccolo grotto azzurro.
Piccolina, sì.
Piccolina.
Sì, sì.
I mean, you see straight down to the bottom. Oh, it's also because I have polarized. I'm like, wow.
Look at that house. That's crazy.
It's amazing because driving through the mountains in Mexico, and it's because of this different climate, everything mimics the ability to
Okay guys, now we are arrived on the island. Now you are free for 3 hours. How long? 3 hours.
3 hours.
Is 12 and 50 now,
What size of it?
and we see on the same place at 3:50. Right? Yeah.
Okay.
315 or 350?
Yeah, 3:50.
315.
I'm sorry. I like 350 better. I'm kidding. Yeah.
Now later
Okay.
we stop it for free.
We will be back.
Right? Now we're going here and you are free. If you want going around on the island, we going on steps. You ride on top on the main square, and you find the bus for a ride in Capri Island. That's the center.
Oh.
If you want going here, there is a free
So
We're stopping at Whitlander.